In this video, we're going to review the PowerDirector app, but specifically, we're going to review a feature that they've added. That is denoise, or in other words, noise reduction. None of the video editing apps I've reviewed in the past have a noise reduction feature. So in this video, we're going to review the first one to have noise reduction inside of the video editing features on the app. Let's take a look at the feature that PowerDirector have added, which is the denoise, the ability to cancel out noise. Without further ado, let us jump into PowerDirector and take a closer look. Open PowerDirector, then select the clip, press the plus button here, and it will drop down onto your timeline. Now, we're just going to play the clip for you. I boil a kettle in the background, so we're going to test it here now. It's just started. Boiling the kettle here, so we'll test to see how much you can cut out. I'm not far from the kettle here, so we can test it. Now I'm going to play you a clip with denoise added at about 96-97%. The default is 80%. Tap on the pencil icon on the left, and then tap on audio, then tap denoise. And as I mentioned, the default is 80%. I boil a kettle in the background, so we're going to test it here now. It's just started. Boiling the kettle here, so we'll test to see how much you can cut out. I'm not far from the kettle here, so we can test it. Because it's a good tester kettle, although you will not be recording in an environment with a kettle in the background probably, so it's a good test. So I think that feature of noise reduction performs very well, considering it's built into an app and it's not a standalone app for noise reduction. I've featured some other noise reduction apps on the channel, but not one that's built into the video editing app itself. These apps are getting better, so stay tuned on this channel to see what comes up next. And I'll see you on the next video.